Hey, my new steam canner just arrived, and I mean just arrived. I'm trying to get ready for a yard sale. I've got stuff everywhere, but I want to start using it. So I'm going to do this unboxing on a very messy kitchen table. Join me. As you can see, it's the Fruit Saver Steam Canner, aluminum, and it just arrived. I ordered it on Amazon. I'm going to try to do this. That's cute. Jars and fruit not included. But I'm going to open it, hopefully, with just one hand. We'll see what happens here. Let me get it. Like I said, I'm trying to get ready. I've got a yard sale scheduled for tomorrow. I'm getting all kinds of stuff out. Plus, I've got juice, apple juice, to make apple jelly with. That's what I was really excited to have this kind of. Let's see. Indicator knob. Oops, sorry. Trying to get that turned around. I can. Oop, well, it's open. The bag has a split spot in it right there. Kind of not surprised because I don't, it doesn't have any packing in there. I hope it's not broken. Probably not. Probably fits on the lid. Different zones for canning, zone 1, 2, and 3. Start timing when needle, sorry, I don't have my glasses on, reaches your zone's green area. So you start timing when it gets over in here. Okay, let's hope that that's not broken and it just fits up through the lid. Let's stick it back in the... Oh, I'll be so disappointed if it is broken. Instruction manual. Okay. Got a screw loose. Oh, there's all kinds of terrible things that could be said there. I'll put that in a little bag with the lid. This appears to be the base. I'd say for inside. Let me see if this instruction book has the parts list. Yeah, the knob goes there. Number 3 is the rack. And number 4 is the water pan. Number 2 is the lid. And 1 is the temperature indicator. So yeah. So there it is. This is the lid, so it's upside down, which makes sense because it's taller on top. I mean, it just looks like an electric fryer if you ask me. Wow, I can't wait to use this. I'm not going to be able to get it out with my hand. Yeah, there we go. So, exactly what it looks like. And then we'll have to use it and see. Okay, I'm going to try to assemble this indicator. Okay, let me try this again. I'm going to try to assemble this indicator with one hand. And according to the instructions, we go this way. Here. Goes in here, and there's little notches. You line up the notches. See that little notch right there? There's a corresponding little notch in this. right about. Oh no, it's in the floor. Okay, we're gonna try to assemble this. This piece here, see, has little notches. Well, there are corresponding little stubs on the indicators. So I'm gonna turn this around and find those. And they should go right down like that. There. Now this piece goes on like this. Okay, so that it looks like this. If I don't drop it again. Then this piece goes on like this. And I'll flip the lid over on top, put the washer, and the screw in from underneath the lid and tighten that down. And here it is. It wasn't too hard. It was a little easier with both hands. So there's the rack setting above where the water will go. So you've got a couple, 3 inches, 4 inches of water that'll go in there. And it'll set on the stove. Now I can't wait to put some jelly jars in there. One thing I noticed, thankfully before it was too late, is the indicator position. Now, if you look at the directions, they're very clear. I don't know why, but that the Food Saver or Fruit Saver logo and the indicator label need to be aligned. So the so you see this is the this is the lettering on the indicator, and then you see the Fruit Saver logo, and they need to be aligned. They have to be matching. I don't know why, but that's what they say to do, and I want to do it right the first time at least. So there you have it.